friends, it's your friend Blasian J. Today, I'm taking you with me on a Sunday brunch and a movie at the Sugar Factory, chocolate lunch, and a theater bags here in sunny San Diego. The best part is the dessert section. You ready for dessert? Videotaping. Hey, pretty ladies. So this is the part of Sugar Factory buffet. So the meal that they have, so they're serving breakfast and lunch for their buffet. And of course you can drink all those goblets. Lots of yummy.